Hi there, I'm Anagha and I'm a huge fan of makeup products that can multitask and double up as something else. Which is why today I have with me the Lakme 9 to 5 Weightless Matte Mousse Lip and Cheek Color in the shade Blush Velvet. It comes in a 9-gram bottle with an applicator which is super easy to use. It has a mousse-like texture which can be used on your lips as well as your cheeks. So there are days when I don't want to apply a lot of makeup products on my face but still want that flushed and bright look. That's when I reach out to this lip and cheek color which does the trick for me. With very minimal application, I really like the lightweight formula and the powdery matte finish that this one gives me. The tint usually lasts for about 6 to 8 hours and gives your face a dewy look. And now, let me show you how to use this. For the most natural looking lips, just glide on the applicator from your cupid's bow to the corners of your lips. For a deeper tint, you may even go for a second coat. To add a soft blush to your cheeks, dot the mousse on your cheekbones in a half moon shape and use your fingertips to blend it well. When it comes to picking up the right shade, you will be spoiled to choice with this one with its wide variety of shades. So go ahead and pick one out for yourself.
While you should wear whichever color you like, there are some techniques like checking your undertones to find the perfect shade for you. If you have peachy or golden hues in your skin with greenish colored veins, you probably have a warm undertone. You can wear colors that have an orangey or red undertone to them and are bright. If you have reddish or bluish hues in your skin with either purple or blue veins, you have a cool undertone. You should wear
Hi there, I'm Anagha and I'm a huge fan of makeup products that can multitask and double up as something else. Which is why today I have with me the Lakme 9 to 5 Weightless Matte Mousse Lip and Cheek Color in the shade